Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. We are back with another video, and this time we are in Sakleshpur, which is a small hill station in Karnataka. It is basically 260-250 kilometers away from Bangalore. So we are actually coming from Bangalore, and today is day one, so we are planning to stay here for a couple of days. If you don't know about Sakleshpur, well, it is a beautiful small little hill station which is famous for um, coffee plantation and black pepper plantation, Western Ghat mountains, and many more. Alright guys, so right now I am at a resort called Rottikallu Resort, and man, this resort is really beautiful, and all the cottages that they provide, whether it's a standard cottage or premium cottages, all the cottages are really beautiful, and they have a lot of space here. They have, like, the property is really big, really huge, and they provide, like, they have a lot of activities here, so you can come here with your friends, families, and kids, and you'll really enjoy this place. So right now we are staying in a premium cottage, and it's like we reached here around 1 o'clock, and we completed all the documentation process and all those things, and right now we are going to have our lunch, because the lunch timing is between 1 o'clock to 2:30. So we are going to have our lunch, and after that we are going to visit a waterfall which is 6 or 7 kilometers away from this particular resort. So after having our lunch, we are going to visit that a waterfall which is called Abbi Waterfall, and yeah, so there are a lot of things that I have planned, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do after Abbi Falls, but let's see, and I'll keep you guys posted. Guys, so we are doing another trek, and this time it's Agni Gudda or Agni Beta, or you can also call it as Agni Hill simply. So yeah, it's a hill which is not very famous, but yeah, I have seen a few videos in which a lot of people have visited this place, and so I thought, let's give it a try. So this place is actually I believe 10 kilometers away from my resort. So you can see the view here. I'm just walking. I have started trekking, and I'm following the trail. Alright, I'm tired. Okay, so this trail goes through a thick forest, and the incline is very steep. So whenever you visit this place, make sure you have a good pair of shoes, and yeah, trekking shoes are preferred. So whenever you visit this place, make sure you trek properly and take all the precautions. So it's always good to, you know, travel and do hiking in groups, but unfortunately I am all alone here, So yeah, I'm trekking all alone. Let's see. Alright guys, finally we are at the top of Agni Hill, and man, this place is amazing. As you can see the views, it is so beautiful. I am surrounded by Western Ghat mountains. It's so calm, so quiet, so peaceful, and greenery all around. You can see the mountains covered with lush green grass. So yeah, this place is very beautiful. So if you ever visit Sakleshpur, make sure to explore Agni Hill and experience its natural beauty. Hello guys, good morning. This is day 2, and the time right now is 7 o'clock, and we are heading towards Hanu Kolla or Hanu Beta, which is a mountain range. So we are going to trek, and we have a guide provided by the resort itself. So he is going to guide us, and along with him we will go ahead and follow the trail which will lead to the viewpoint, so that we can explore and we can see the view, how it looks from the top, from that particular viewpoint. So yeah, it's really beautiful day. The weather is really good. It is very nice for trekking. So stay with us, and I'll keep you guys posted. Alright guys, so we are back from trek. It was very good experience trekking in this beautiful place, and yeah, the trek was actually the trek was pretty difficult, I would say, because the distance of the trekking distance was 4 kilometers one way. So it took us about total 8 kilometers up and down. So yeah, it was a little bit difficult, but we made it. So we came back to our resort, we had our um, breakfast, and now we are going to Manjarabad Fort, which is I'd say, like, from Sakleshpur main city. It is 20 kilometers away. So we are going to visit Manjarabad Fort right now, and let's see, I'll keep you guys posted. Alright guys, so here we are, the historical Manjarabad Fort. This place, this fort was actually built by Tipu Sultan, and it was built in 18th or 19th century. I'm not sure about that, but yeah. So basically this fort looks like star from the top. Unfortunately, I was not able to fly my drone here because, the drone is restricted in this particular place. So I was not able to fly my drone so that I can show you how it looks from the top. So basically, through a bird eye view, it will look like a star, and it was really well designed and well constructed. It's time to say goodbye to Sakleshpur as we are leaving this place now and leaving the resort. So it was very good experience altogether, living in this beautiful resort and exploring the nearby places. And yeah, it's really a really nice place, Sakleshpur. And there are a lot of things that you can do, a lot of places that you can explore. So yeah, it's really a nice place. It's a trekking paradise. So if you guys are like interested in trekking and also, you can definitely visit this place. And there are many hill points and views where you can go and you can trek. So that's all from this video. I'll be ending this particular video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, consider liking this particular video, and you can also subscribe to my channel so that next time we travel to any other places, you'll get our notification and updates of our future travel videos. So yeah, I'll be ending this vlog, and I'll see you guys next time with another location. Till then, take care. Goodbye.